Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given question square root of 4x over x equal to 2. Let's provide solution very quickly, so that here we have to copy what we have square root of 4x over x equals to 2. And this should be equals to square root of 4 times square root of x over x, which equals to 2. Right? So that here square root of 4, that is 2 square root of x over x. So this will be 2. So that here we shall divide 2 on both sides, so that here we shall cancel this and this to get square root of x over x, which equals to 1. And we know that this is x power 1 over 2 over x power 1, and this will be 1. Then this will be here x power 1 over 2 minus 1, which equals to 1. And this will be x power here negative 1 over 2, which equals to 1. Right? So at this stage, this is what we have to write it as 1 over x here power 1 over 2, which equals to 1. So that this is what we have as 1, which equals to x power 1 over 2. Right? So that here this is 1 power 1 over 2, which equals to x here power 1 over 2, then power here power 2. If you say here you have x power, sorry, here I have to multiply 2, not 1 over 2. I have to multiply 2 and the 2 again here to get 1 squared equals to x power 2 over 2, and this will be 1, which equals to x, so that our x will be 1. So here we have to check if the answer is correct. So we have given square root of 4x over x equals to 2. So that this is the square root of here 4 times 1 over 1 equals to 2. And this is 2 over 1 equals to 2. And 2 equals to 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye-bye.